Hello, this video demonstrates how to create lists that then creates a schedule that cleans the phone numbers from having any special characters. So one is you want to create a list in leads. Custom view rather, sorry. You want to create a custom view. I want to say mobile number contains something like that. And then I'll say I want to care about the mobile field. Contains it's going to be could be for everyone or just me. Then want to do the script as a schedule. So what I want to do is create this schedule. I'm going to specify it as mobile number clean. We'll need to do a function. This is going to be the mobile number clean. So the only trick here is you want to add so this is the mobile number cleaning script for the leads module. You could combine this with the phone number as well if you want to clean both. You could also create two schedules for each, so you see them running side by side, or you could have one function that runs for all of them. It's up to you. Then you could do the same in contacts. I only have it for leads because I always convert a lead to a contact. I never enter contacts in, so I'm fine with that. If you're gonna convert leads to contacts, then you don't really need a phone number cleaning on the contact unless you want to clean some old numbers that already been entered. So the only thing is tricky here is we need the ID, which I forgot to get, so I'm going to save this. I cannot. Okay, so I need to get my ID first. You get the ID by coming up here. In a canvas view, you get two IDs. In a list view, you get the ID right there. So you just want to make sure you select the ID of that. I save my function here, so what I'm going to do is I want to replace the ID. And I'm going to go back to functions. I meant schedules. I'm going to say mobile phone, mobile number cleaning. New function, mobile clean, mobile clean. And I got it right there. I'll start today, later on today, but I want to do this hourly. Every 2 hours, the quickest thing I could do. Meantime, I'm going to enter in a phone number incorrectly. I'm going to put in mobile field. I'm going to use dash. So now I have a phone number that's incorrect. So I could tell by clicking on it that that's how it was saved. when you save it, Zoho displays all the same way, but underneath is where you could see how it was saved. I could run the schedule now. So you see how it was updated to have only numbers. It still looks the same when it's saved, but now it's only numbers. That's how it's properly done. So this script we're going to include in the knowledge base with this video. Any questions, just call us or message us.